Welcome to our comprehensive review of the DJI Goggles N3. If you're thinking about diving into FPV, first-person view, or upgrading your current gear, this video is your ultimate guide. DJI markets the N3 goggles as delivering an immersive FPV experience straight out of the box. With a 1080p ultra-wide LCD screen, you get a crisp and vivid display. While it lacks the OLED technology found in the Goggles 3, the screen is still sharp enough to make your flight's exhilarating. One feature that sets the N3 goggles apart is their lightweight box-style design. Unlike the binocular design of the Goggles 3, the N3 is built with a single screen setup, allowing room for users who wear prescription glasses. DJI has introduced an easy acro mode for beginners. This feature makes it simpler for new pilots to execute maneuvers like power loops without needing extensive manual controls. The N3 goggles offer an AR cursor feature, which works seamlessly with the DJI motion controller. This allows you to interact with the interface in a virtual environment, giving a futuristic touch to your flying experience. The N3 goggles provide 2.7 hours of operating time, which is slightly less than the 3 hours offered by the Goggles 3. One of the biggest differences between the N3 and Goggles 3 is the display technology. The N3 uses an LCD screen, while the Goggles 3 feature dual micro-OLED displays with a wider field of view, FOV, and sharper contrast. DJI continues to innovate in the FPV space, making 2024 an exciting year for drone enthusiasts. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone news and reviews.